Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar. We have Jaden here with the song called When the Music Stops. Music stops, may that never happened. And yep, let's take a look at this one. 4 chords, down, chewing string pattern, so to speak, and that's what's going on in this song. So let's go over the 4 chords. We don't need any capo for this one. So yeah, the chords. We're gonna start with D. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have the B minor next, a bar chord. You place the bar finger here, your index, on the 2nd fret, and you go from bottom up to the 5th string like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the G next, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then the final chord is A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Alright, so let's go for the G chord that covers all strings. It's easier to show you the string pattern with that one, so grab the G. And one string around will be about 4 downs. It goes pretty fast like this. Alright, so when you play this string pattern, it's just 4 downs, so you stay and try to stay around the bass strings, perhaps down to the mid. So for G here, you're gonna go down to perhaps the G string yeah, G or D string. Just stay around the bass strings here, so like this. So you don't have time to count all the downs there, you just go by feel. So one strumming around will be 4 downs like this. And if you count like 4 string rounds, you don't have to count 16 downs. You just go 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, 5. You hear when it's played 4 downs. That's pretty much how it works when you count or have these kind of strummings. So anyway, let's take a look at this one. It's very simple. We will play the chords in the same order we learned them. So D, B minor, G, and A. That goes from the beginning till the very end. And you're gonna play D 4 string rounds, B minor 4, G 6, and A 2. And that's it. So D, B minor, G, and A. D, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, 2, and D. That's it, guys. So Jaden's When the Music Stops. Hope you enjoyed it. Simple, very easy. Give it a try and like this tutorial. There you have everything that's important for this song. So thank you for watching and play tuned.